Hello everyone, my name is David and I'm back again with question number 7 that was being tested in the KCPE for the year 2018. And in this question, the candidate was supposed to apply certain concepts like addition, there was multiplication, there is also division, and finally to convert or to do the conversion of weights from kilograms to ton. Now before we begin, we need first of all to understand what the candidate was required to do in this question. And the question reads, a lorry carrying a load of 30 bags of sugar, each weighing 90 kilograms, and 40 bags of rice, each weighing 25 kilograms. If the load is half the mass of the lorry when empty, what is the total weight of the loaded lorry in tons? In other words, the candidate was first of all supposed to work out the weight of the load, and then from the weight of the load, he or she convert that one to the weight of the lorry. In other words, use that weight of the road and then to get the weight of the lorry, which we are told that it is twice the weight or the mass of the road. Now to begin, we first of all have to get the weight of the sugar bags, which were 30, and each bag was weighing 90 kilograms. Now, to get the total weight of the sugar, we had to multiply the weight of each bags by 30 to get 2,700 kilograms. Then from there, we were told that the number of rice bags were 40, and each bag of rice was 25 kilograms. So the total weight of the rice was 40. We multiply this one by 25 to get 1,000 kilograms. Now, the total weight of the load, that is the weight of the rice plus the weight of the sugar, will therefore be 2,700. We add 1,000 to get 3,700 kilograms. Now we are told that the weight of the road is half the weight of the lorry. In other words, the weight of the lorry should be twice the weight of the load. So we had to take the weight of the road, which is 3,700. We multiply this one by 2 because it is twice to get the weight of the empty lorry, which is now supposed to be 7,400 kilograms. Now, the weight of the loaded lorry will be the weight of the lorry plus now the weight of the road. We know we have already obtained the weight of the lorry and we have obtained the weight of the road. So, if we can now take the weight of the road, which is 7,400, we add 3,700, we shall get the total weight of the loaded lorry to be 11,100 kilograms. Now, this weight here has to be converted to tons because the question is requiring the candidate to give the weight of the loaded lorry in tons. So, the candidate is supposed to remember that for every 1,000 kilograms is equivalent to 1 ton, and therefore take the total weight of the loaded lorry, divide this one by 1,000 to get 11.1 tons. And therefore the candidate was supposed to get choice D as the answer, that is 11.1 tons. Otherwise, you can subscribe to this channel and get as many examples as possible. Thank you very much, and let us meet next time.